Hey there, I'm Sneha and you are watching my channel Book Junction. Welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to share with you how I improved my handwriting with these very simple steps. Now, in no way am I saying that my handwriting is the best or it's the ideal handwriting that everyone should have. The thing is, in the past couple of months, I have received numerous comments regarding my handwriting and they have only been extremely kind and positive. And that's why I want to give it back to you by sharing these tips. Now, my handwriting used to be terrible. I hated my handwriting and because of it, I stopped journaling on paper. I used to type everything in my laptop. So there was this one day when I got so frustrated of my handwriting that I was like, no, I just have to do something to improve my handwriting. And by the way, these notes are from my spiritual notebook in case you are wondering. So yeah, I got so frustrated that I decided that I cannot write in this bad handwriting anymore, and this was my handwriting, by the way. As you can see, it was pathetic, it was terrible, I hated it. And this is from my Spanish notebook, and after writing all these notes, I never felt like looking back at them. They were just so terrible. And the worst part is that I did not write any of this in any hurry. I had all the time in my hand, and even then this was my handwriting. It looks so dirty and absolutely unorganized, and I hated it. So this is from my present handwriting, and this is again from my Spanish notes only, so that you can understand the difference between the two. Now this looks so much more neater and cleaner and organized, and when I look at it, I feel like reading them and studying the subject or whatsoever. So I hope that this video will help you if you are also looking for some steps and tips to improve your handwriting. So yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started. Now first of all, I want to address this thing and get done with it, and that is the pen that you are using. So I used to write with ballpoint pen, and now I don't write with ballpoint pen at all. I only write with gel pens, and of these two companies only. The first one is Classmate Octane and the second one is the Cello gel pens. I have given the link of these pens in my stationery collection video, you can check there. So the thing is that gel pens are so flowy, they are usually much more pigmented also. Whereas ballpoint pens are a little drier and you have to put in a lot of pressure. So because of that pressure, my hand used to pain a lot, and that's why I stopped using ballpoint pen. Now this is very basic, I know, but trust me, the pen that you are using has a lot to do with your handwriting. So just try to use different pens and see which one you are most comfortable with. Next, I want to talk about how to hold the pen, and your grip has a lot to do with your handwriting. So I used to, and I still hold the pen with all my fingers, but before I used to place my hand absolutely straight. As you can see, I used to hold the pen like this and put my hand or place my hand on the paper straight. Now I recommend you to try different ways of holding the pen, and you will definitely see considerable difference, and then choose the one which is the best for you. Now I have stopped writing like that. I have changed it a little bit. I still hold the pen with all my fingers, but I place my hand a little bit on the right side towards the direction I'm writing. So this helps me to write in this particular font. This is more like a printed font, and this is the easiest way to have a neat handwriting, by the way. Anyway, moving forward, the next step is to figure out the particular way of writing a letter so that it looks beautiful and is also very easy for you to write it. So this is what I did, and I did not learn it from any particular video. Actually, this is something that happened to me naturally. I thought that let's see how to write these letters so it will be easy for me and also look good. So just write every letter in different fonts and then figure out which font is being absolutely easy for you and also looking the best. Trust me, this practice will help you a lot, and after you have tried this with every letter, then just choose the one that was the most convenient and then write it aside, and later on practice writing that letter in that particular font. Now my motive behind recommending this step is that when you are writing a single letter in different ways, it does not look good, and it shows that you do not have a particular style, and when you see the notes overall it does not look neat and it does not look organized, and for that organized thing it's good to have a particular handwriting. So this was my problem and this is the way I solved it. So after you have figured out the way to write these letters, then just practice it every single day so that it becomes an automatic thing for you. You don't have to think a lot about it. The moment you write it, you will write it in this font only. So that's why practice it for a few days, at least for 1 week, and then I think you will be good to go. And I did the same with my cursive handwriting, and this is not complete cursive but like semi-cursive, and this is the best I can do. Trust me, this is the best because I have tried writing in cursive and it's pretty difficult, but this is how I write it, and this is the same way I also do my calligraphy. So I tried the same font with my brush pens and it looks pretty good. So this is how I write all the letters in my calligraphy, or cursive, whatsoever you want to call it. So a lot of you like it because you have seen me write like this in my videos, and this is why I'm showing it to you, so that if you want you can copy this and try it. This is extremely easy, nothing complicated, and that's why I'm sharing it with you. And by the way, if you are wondering, let me share with you this also. I used to practice my calligraphy skills every single day, and that's why it has become a little decent now. And thank you so much for appreciating it as well, because it helps me to keep practicing and do better. So if you also practice, I'm very sure that you will be able to write this way. And you have seen my previous handwriting, it was terrible. Now it's, I think, decent and sober. At least now I feel like writing, and you have seen that I make so many notes and all. So I really hope that this video was helpful for you and you enjoyed it as well. You can also follow me on Instagram. I go by the name book_junction, and I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, then definitely like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for future updates, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.